Do you finalize the space?
Yeah, space I have finalized, sir. There are commercial spaces are there. So there are in total 8 commercial space are there. It is on the ground floor of a building.
Okay.
So I've taken 2 commercial place. So
Building
there is
additional
an option to take third one, but
Okay.
right now it is not available.
Okay. We'll start from 2 shops.
Yes, 2 shops, sir.
What you can do is that start with your OPD practice, and most important is that you should start 2 things. One is your digital presence, and second is networking.
Yes, sir.
So start networking, start meeting the doctors one-to-one, maybe Ayush or any other stream also. But ask them that you should send the patients to me. So online presence अपने उसमें बना लो. You have to have a good GMB profile. Then you should have a website, not very hi-fi, a basic website. Okay, then you have presence in the social media. तो थोड़ा start कर दो. तो तुम्हारा build-up होगा, patient base सबसे तुम्हारा online भी strong हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
To the sessions which you have taken in the academy, you get a lot of answers from there.
Yeah, sure, sir.
If there are questions, then you can always connect with me.